Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the Daily Options Trade. How's it going? So, I've been watching the news and there's been a lot of going on in the stock market. There's been good news, there's been some bad news. One of the things that I focused in on is I know Cathie Wood really likes this stock. So, there was a report yesterday on the 7th that got put out. She bought another 1,000,000 shares of Palantir. I was like, wow, that is amazing. I mean, she buys a lot of stocks that are technology with ARC management, and I was just amazed at this. So I'm going to buy some more. I want to buy another 300 shares. All right. So I know this is not an options trade, but hold on. Bear with me. Didn't even go through. What's going on? Wow, price is skyrocketing right before my eyes. Okay. Man, I'm just chasing this thing. What's going on? It's just going up and up and up. Alright, finally got a fill. Alright, now for the next stage, here's the options part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out here, I'm going to go to options, go out to May, I want to go 24, because man, this thing's already starting to rocket up. So I want to do 3 more. Alright, sell those, another $700. So we basically financed part of the buying that stock today by selling the options. The thing is just going up exponentially today. It's kind of crazy. Let's go back to Palantir. Go back to the chart. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go like 15 minutes. Oh wow, look at that thing go. That thing's, man, I should have caught that this morning first thing. I've already been in the money. Look at that thing. That's just things rocketing up. That's awesome. Alright guys, that's good news for Palantir. Finally maybe getting some attention that it needs. Let's go through a couple other of the options that I have here. Let's go through my positions. We've got Apple expiring next week. Apple's been really taking off recently, so I don't think this thing's in danger at all. ChargePoint had a little bit of an issue, down from 32, but I think it's a strong stock overall, especially with the Biden infrastructure plan in the works. So it's going to be a good stock, and I might have to roll that 32, or maybe I'll just take the stock, but these other two, 70, the 28 and 27 and a half, looks like they're just going to go away. So that's just cash in my pocket. Reduce the cost of the stock when I buy it, if I buy it. I might just keep selling options. We'll see. Go EV. Alright. We talked about this a few days ago. Last week, this week. I don't remember when it was. Go back, check my videos. But I made a special breakout Go EV video along with an options trade. And I bought this stock at $8.37 here. Now, then I predicted it would go back to 10 before the end of the week. And here it is, $10. So perfect. It's playing right into my hands. So I've already made some good money on it. And this thing is going to go skyrocketing once they start making vehicles in full production and figure that whole production thing out. Okay, Nikola. It's a dog. We don't want to talk about that, but I'm going to have to figure out these options probably next week. Occidental, there's no options, just some long stock I'm holding. Ozark Bank is a really good play, no options right now. It's kind of highly priced, Ozark. As you can see, Palantir is on the rise. I own 500 shares now. My cost basis is now $23.09. It was lower, but then I just bought some and it was a little higher, so it averaged out. You can see I do have some higher puts at 27 and 29 that I put on a while ago. And I might have to handle those next week, or I might just take the stock. I don't know. See how the options play out. So stay tuned for the options management next week. It should be pretty interesting. It's expiration week, so there's going to be a lot of options. So I'll be doing a lot of options management, a lot of rolling, trying to figure out how to handle these things that are in the money. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as soon as you can, and we'll hop on those next week. Also, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Really appreciate that. Will help me get this out there. So Ride is another one. I really like this stock. I'm going to do a breakout video on it, but you can see it's doing pretty well right now, so that's good. Now, ROT is one of these SPACs. You learned that in my last video. And it's a pretty interesting robotics company that's going to be coming through there. And Palantir is actually investing in those guys, so they could be doing some partnership of some sort. I'm not really sure what they have in mind, because there hasn't been a lot of news about it. But stay tuned. I want to cover that in the future, because that should be pretty interesting. I don't know what they're trying to build. Maybe like robots for building things. I'm not really sure. So stay tuned for that. Ruth Chris Steakhouse is awesome. I love that place. Wish I could go more. And got some insurance. I bought that a long time ago. It's not doing real good. And then Suncor. I should probably look into doing some more Suncor here eventually. Let's take a look at Suncor right now. Suncor is a really good stock. Good green energy play. You can see. Oh, let's go to the daily. See how we're doing. Alright, you can see it's down a little. The highs. Looks like it's maybe found a support level. So let's see what we can do here with the options. Oh yeah, the options don't have a lot of premium in it right now. So I'm not going to really do anything. I think that's why I just let it sit. Looks like they think it's going to go up because there's a positive bias on it. Alright guys, that's it for today in the daily options trade. Make sure you subscribe for the updates and learn how to manage these options once they become towards expiration. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Good luck out there.